Outfitter switches on an F150. Here they are. Fully functional. My number one, I got light bars at the front. That's my number one. And my number four, I got light bars at the back, or bumper bars at the back. Those are. My number three is a high idle switch. Feet are touching the pedals. Like I said, feet are touching the pedals at all. High idle for running heavy amperage draw accessories such as the winch, whatnot off the truck here. That's my number three. And my number two is unused. Wired it up so that I have still have the illumination, so I can find these guys at nighttime. And they dim with the rest of the instrument panel. And of course, the same battery. They shut off when you take the key out. And turn back on when you put the key back on.